Case tags in QuickEMR are a simple but powerful way to highlight important information about a patient directly on the schedule. These tags allow your practice to create custom labels that appear alongside a patient's appointment, making it easy for staff to recognize special circumstances, workflow reminders, or key patient details. By placing these tags directly in the scheduled appointments, your team can quickly identify important information before or during a patient's visit. To begin creating tags, you will first need to navigate to Schedule, Lists, and select Tags. This is where all of your custom case tags are created and managed. From here, select the Create button to add a new tag. You'll start by entering a tag name, which should clearly describe the information you want the tag to represent. For example, many practices may create tags for things like special patient requirements for things like wheelchair assistance, tags to represent payment information, documentation reminders, or anything to assist with internal workflow. Next, choose an icon that you want to visually represent the new tag. A list of available icons are visible in the Available Icons window to the right, allowing you to select an image that best fits the purpose of your new tag. Once the name and icon are selected, simply press the Save button. It will now be available to assign to any patient case or scheduled appointment within the system. To create another tag, press the Back to List button. After creating your tags, the next step is applying them to the patient's case. To do this, open the patient's case, then select the Case tab. Within this section and under the Schedule box, you will see the list of available case tags that have been created. Simply select one or multiple tags that apply to the patient. Then, press the Save button. Once applied, those tags will automatically appear on any appointment scheduled for that patient within the appointment book. This allows your staff to immediately recognize any important details when viewing the schedule. If the tag ever needs to be removed, you can simply return to the patient's case and uncheck the tag. In addition to permanent case tags, QuickEMR also allows you to apply what are called flex tags. Flex tags are designed for situations where you only want the tag to apply to a single appointment rather than reoccur on every visit for that patient. To apply a flex tag, navigate to the schedule and open the patient's appointment. Inside the appointment window, select the Note tab and simply choose the flex tag or tags you want to apply. After saving, the selected icon or icons will appear on the scheduled appointment. Unlike regular case tags, flex tags only apply to that specific visit and will not automatically appear on future appointments unless the tag is also added to the patient's case. While the system allows you to create custom tags, QuickEMR also includes computed tags. Computed tags are system-generated indicators that automatically appear when certain conditions are met within the system. These tags cannot be manually created or removed since they are tied to system events or patient data. For example, computed tags may indicate when documentation has been completed, when an appointment note has been created, when a patient has Medicare, or when a copay has been recorded. Other computed tags may appear when a recurring appointment is scheduled, when documentation is marked ready for review, or even when a patient's appointment falls on their birthday. These automatic indicators help staff quickly recognize important information without needing to manually apply these important tags. If you ever need a quick reference for what each tag means, you can view a legend directly from the schedule. On the left side of the appointment book, select the Color Key tab and scroll down to the bottom of the list. Here, you'll find a legend showing both your custom case tags and system computed tags, making it easy to understand what each icon represents. If you ever need help creating or managing your tags, our support team is always happy to assist.